This week, we're sending out the seeds from the free seed giveaway. I know a lot of you participated in that, so you'll be getting something like this in the mail. It has the seeds taped to it and the names for those seeds under it, along with a letter that shows you how to get to our Great Big Garden group and share things as you're going along and planting and doing this yourself. But since this is the first day in kind of talking through how we do that, I'm going to show you how to plant each of these seeds. Again, we've got the Black Beauty eggplant, sweet banana pepper, pimento pepper, and the yellow pear tomato. There are a lot of ways to start seeds. We've shown tons of them on this channel. Today, for simplicity's sake, I'm going to actually start these seeds in cups ready to grow out. But you can use the method where you're just starting it in a Ziploc bag. If you want to make sure it gets germinated well and then transfer it into a cup like this, you can start it in a seed starting kit. We've got a lot of videos, and here's a playlist of some of those different methods that you can use. But I'll just start here. I think I've got 8 cups. I'm going to drill holes in 4 of them. And you just want enough of a hole that you can have good drainage. So I'm putting 6 holes kind of spread out through them. There we go. Now, because we're out here right next to my garden, I'm just going to steal some soil from one of my garden beds. I'll replenish it later. But when I go back here to actually our VegoGarden bed, we did a great video on how we set up the soil mixture that's in here. Now you may want to add a seed starting mix to the top of this just to help contain that moisture and keep them moist during the germination. I'm not actually going to do so, but you're welcome to. I actually would recommend it if you're just getting started, because that seed starting mix is made to help the seeds germinate. But I'm going to go ahead and do this. What these are for is a reservoir to hold water in and help to keep these moist, and the plants as they grow to have access to water, and you may even add a little nutrient to it later on. And now all of these seeds, the eggplant, the banana pepper, the pimento pepper, and the tomato, need about the same conditions to grow in. Right now out here it's actually a little chilly, so I won't be leaving them outside. I'll be bringing them inside. Ideally, if you can get to about 80 degrees for germination, that is best. You can do this under a light, you can do it with a heat mat, or various other ways depending how your house's climate is. But I'll just show how we would plant one. You just go ahead and pull it off. They're all taped on your sheets. This one is the eggplant, the first one, and we'll go ahead and plant it in this cup here. Now, a general rule of thumb for seeds is you don't need to plant them very deep if they're little tiny seeds, and that's what these are. So I'll come up there. Here is the soil that I'm going to be planting in. I'm going to just put this in. Now you could just leave it like this, where you just have them rest on the soil. I'm going to cover them just a little bit, just that much, so that they're a little bit covered. And then we'll just add water to this. And I would suggest putting either a Ziploc bag over it or covering it with saran wrap or something else to just trap in the moisture. Let's go ahead and put a couple more seeds in the other cups. And the yellow pear tomato. So here we have the 4 seeds that will be going out. We're going to continue and grow out more over the coming weeks. So check in probably next week. We'll have an update on whether these germinated, and you can follow along at home when you get your seeds and watch what is going on.